So here's Ad. He owns a shop that sells different kind of furniture. Sofa and designer chairs are the major products because they have the highest profit margin. Therefore, Ad has already set up a dedicated campaign specifically for designer chairs and sofa, and they have been experiencing great performance over time. Meanwhile, Ad's business also covers over 100 types of other furniture and accessories. Does this imply that Ad has to create an extra 100 campaigns to cover all his products? The answer is no. Google AdWords provide our advertisers with a campaign type named Dynamic Search Ads, which can save numerous of effort and time. Dynamic search ads automatically generate the headlines of the ad. The ad text will be automatically generated according to the content and the business description from ad's website. For example, when someone searches for floor mops, even without having a campaign dedicated for floor mops, the ad is still generated automatically using a description of floor mops on ad's website. This is the same for iron board as well as bathtub. Let me walk you through how the dynamic search ads are set up. Once logged into your AdWords account, we'd like to start a new campaign. So under New Campaign, we select Search Network only, and within Search Network type, then we'll love to choose Dynamic Search Ads here. So here, let us just quickly input the campaign name. And here under Ad Extension, we have to make sure that the Dynamic Search Ads checkbox has been checked. And within Domain, we'll have to input the ads website here. We'll also have to make sure that the language of the website is the same as the language selected here, which is English in this case. So once we move on to the next page, we'll be brought to this page where we have to create a new ad group. So here, after inputting the ad group name, you would see down here that we'll be asked to create a new ad. To create a dynamic search ad, as you may see, we would only need to key in the description lines as well as the display URL. The headline, as described earlier on, is dynamically generated according to the search query that the user has typed in. So let's just quickly create an ad here. And here at Auto Target, please make sure that all pages are selected. So this is basically the very simple setups of the dynamic search ads, and following through we will talk about some optimization tips for dynamic search ads. To optimize your dynamic search ads, we can first go to the Auto Targets tab. Since we want to exclude some pages like Contact Us, the address book, the guest relationship page, even the career page on your website, here under exclusion, we can just add the URL that contains Contact Us here. And then we just need to click Save in order to exclude these pages. To go on with, we can go to the Keywords tab. Please don't be surprised that you don't see any keywords here, because one of the cool features that dynamic search ads have is that they don't need any keywords, and since the ads are dynamically generated. But what we may do is that we can actually add some negative keywords. As you may remember, Ad has already got some dedicated campaigns for his designer chairs and sofas, so you might not want the dynamically generated ads to compete with the dedicated campaigns. So he might want to add these keywords as negative keywords. So again, very simply, we just have to add designer chairs, sofas into the negative keywords, and we are all set. So here we just go through the very basic 2 optimization tips for your dynamic search ads. For more inquiries, always feel free to contact us.